In this video, we will see the Python introduction. So what is Python and why Python is so important and popular? Python is a popular programming language. It was released in 1991 and it was created by Guido van Rossum. We can use Python for many tasks. For example, web development, software development, data science, AI, machine learning, deep learning, mathematics. So there are many use cases. Now we discuss why Python is so important or popular. Because the first reason is that we can use Python on different platforms. For example, Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi. And Python has a simple syntax that is similar to English language. That is very easy. The next thing is very important. When we use other languages, then the code will be very lengthy. The same code when we write in Python, then it will be a few lines of code. The next thing is that Python runs on interpreter system. So it means that we can execute our code as soon as it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quick. Next is that Python can be treated in procedural way, an object-oriented way, or a functional way. The last thing is very important. I want to show you how you can find Python packages from internet. For this, write PyPy and click on the first link. You can see that in September 2024, there are 5,72,473 projects or Python libraries that are now available that we can use for multiple tasks. So there is a huge community of Python. So this is a short introduction of Python.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.